Describe IOK in 3 words.
Describe IOK in 3 words, all right. Should I say 3 words?
It's learn, give, learn.
Can I ask a question real quick? So how do you want me to phrase those 3 words?
Mentorship.
Home.
Education.
And rooted.
Knowledge, community, concern. Particularly the word concern, because it is an institution, alhamdulillah, that is deeply concerned with our community at every level. And that shows in the most beautiful and prophetic way in how it conducts itself.
If I was to describe IOK in 3 words, empowering, compassionate, and number 3, knowledgeable. I believe in IOK primarily because of the personnel. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed IOK with amazing scholars who are serving at every aspect in our community. May it be at the level of schooling from K to 12. May it be at the level of the seminary where they're creating scholars for our community. May it be at the level of the chaplaincy.
Trustworthy scholar, student of knowledge, an environment that it is clean, an environment that it will provide opportunity for people to learn their deen.
IOK in 3 words is family, home, and empowerment.
Knowledge, community,
Learning, growth, and giving.
IOK is Islamic education, powerful academia,
Innovative and blessed.
IOK to me is pioneer of Islamic education. That's how I see it.
That is IOK.
And that is IOK.
As we say, the proof is in the pudding. Just look at the results. A lot of times, many of us come from a professional background, a business background. We look at numbers. You crunch the data. Just look at what IOK has produced. How could you not believe in something that has produced as much as IOK has?
I believe in IOK because it is my second home. This is where I found spiritual guidance and support and mentorship in my beloved teacher and now good friend, Sheikh Nu'man. He's someone who has been teaching me since I was a freshman in high school.
You know, what keeps me going and doing the work at IOK is that you can't spend time to make more time. You have one life to give, and give for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give for the sake of deen. That's what motivates me day in and day out.
These people who are at the forefront, their akhlaq, their muamalat, the way they deal with you, the way they honor you, we believe in it because of that. And we always make dua that Allah keep them like that.
If I had to describe IOK in only 3 words, I would use community, balanced, and grounded.
IOK means service,
leadership,
scholarship, companionship, knowledge.
Traditional, professionalism, and excellence. That is IOK.
Education, spirituality, growth. That is IOK.
Proactive, quality, and that's IOK.
That is IOK.
That is IOK.
And that is IOK.
That is IOK.
And that is IOK.